Hi everybody, it's Tiffany with Sassy Soapry, and I am attempting 𝒯𝒾𝒻𝒻𝒶𝓃𝓎 number 2, and I've decided to use some more neons. I think I used neons in the first one, but also muted colors at the same time, a little bit of both. This I'm just going for some neons. So I love the Nurture Soap neons. So I've got neon blue, neon pink, neon purple, and neon green. And then I got this little, I buy these little ones for doing small batches. So I'm using 𝒯𝒾𝒻𝒻𝒶𝓃𝓎 from Nature's Garden, and it's Seen Things. Alright, now we are going to cut this one. This was 𝒃𝒾𝒻𝒻𝒶𝓃𝓎 attempt 2. It got a little thick. I did check with the, back on the website for the fragrance oil, which we use 𝒯𝒾𝒻𝒻𝒶𝓃𝓎 from Nature's Garden, and they said it didn't accelerate, but I did find in the comments on the reviews that it did accelerate for 1 or 2 people, so yeah, really need to pay more attention to that while I'm still learning. Alright, so let's try to get this. We're going to cut it in half this way, and then same as we did with the other one. Alright, I bought this planner on Amazon. I don't like it, but I needed one fast, and the one I want wouldn't be here in time, and I can't decide between the 3mm or the 5mm bevel, and since it's so expensive, I want to really be sure, so I just bought this one for now so that I could, God, these smell good, so that I could do this. So this is probably going to take a couple of passes. Actually, it's still a little soft for planing, so I'll probably just do a few on camera here and then come back and show you what they look like, because I've got to get like an awkward position so it doesn't run all over the place. Alright, so this is the before. I'll screenshot it, stick it in the corner. They're so uneven. It got so thick. See, I've got to be in such an awkward position to do this. I don't love it. I don't love it. Keep going. Keep going. We're getting there. It's pretty. I don't think it's a kiss though. One more, and I think we'll have all the bumps out of it. Yeah, alright. That was the top. It was real thick and got real patchy, and like, that looks really pretty though. It does look better though. It was super textured like this one. So it definitely looks better, but like, look at the difference. That like took like a bunch of soap. Let me see what this weighs. It's 4.65 ounces, so we're good.